I don't need to hack their phone. I don't need their password. I don't need to install anything. Everything I need is already online, public, legal, and invisible to them. This is OSINT. In 2026, it's more powerful than any exploit. Most people think tracking means hacking. That's Hollywood. The truth? The best tracking uses only open-source intelligence, OSINT. Every photo, check-in, comment, public record, and data broker listing is out there, waiting to be connected. I've done OSINT for over a decade. Military, corporate, infidelity cases. Today, I'll show you how to track anyone, using only public data. No hacking, no malware, just what they leak for free. OSINT means intelligence from public sources, social media, records, data brokers, forums, breach databases. Finding data is easy, connecting it is the real skill. Alone, each post means little. Together, they reveal everything. Let's start with social media geolocation. Photos have GPS, timestamps, device info. Even if stripped, backgrounds give clues, skylines, signs, logos. I've pinpointed locations from reflections in sunglasses, check-ins, tags, comments like "back in Miami." All evidence. Social media is what people share. Data brokers are what they can't hide. Sites like Spokeo and Bin Verified scrape public records, property data, court filings, marriages, even voter registrations. I plug in a name or email. Seconds later, addresses, phone numbers, relatives, property records, all public. The next mistake? Username reuse. People recycle handles across platforms. One username, dozens of sites, years of history. Email and phone numbers are digital fingerprints. I search breach databases to see what platforms they've registered on. Reverse image search is my final hammer. I upload a photo. They've used it elsewhere. Dating sites, secret profiles, cropped versions. Public records. People forget how much is available. Property purchases, marriage filings, business registrations, all searchable, all revealing. Location history, relationships, secrets, patterns. OSINT doesn't break in, it just looks. No hacking, no malware, just patience, data, and skill. And the best part? They never know you're watching. OSINT is the most powerful investigation tool in existence. No exploits, just data and patience. Subscribe for more from the shadows. For special service, email techcontinental5dgmail.com or check the description for a link. OSINT, their data, your truth, 2026.